Alright guys, welcome back onto another video. Um I hope you guys enjoy this video. I accidentally deleted one of the Block Wars clips, so it's a little short clip of Block Wars, but I accidentally deleted it. I'm so stupid. But so I also played Don't Press the Button because it would have been a very short video if I didn't. But I've decided that I might not do Fortnite videos just because of the quality. I just want you guys to have good content, and I try to upload every day. If I don't upload every day, like every other day, but I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on next. Oh, why am I saying that? Hope you guys enjoy. All right. Oh my gosh. Now this guy's gonna camp, right? What did I say? Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's right. You better run. Oh my gosh. Trying to steal these. Get that. I just need more blocks. What? Oh my gosh. Bro. You spectate. Oh my gosh. He got my bed, I guess. I don't know. Alright guys, welcome back onto another video. Today I am playing Don't Press the Button. So, if you don't know what this game is, this is the button right here, and you try not to press it, right here, and try not to press it, because like there's like these traps, or there's a maze one, there's one that you have to do like parkour, so all types of things. Oh, here's this one. Get ready to throw. Oh, this is. I actually haven't played this one before. But you throw this. It used to be snowballs. Oh. You throw everything. Directions. Wonder if they're gonna take that out because it's not Christmas anymore. Get ready for dodgeball. Ooh. Dodgeball! Oh, but I just died. Get ready. course, blue team wins. I swear blue team always wins, but I'm always red team. Ducks are falling from the sky. If they make them land, did you blast it? I got it. No! Oh, I got it! Oh my gosh, this is way harder than you think. Wait, that didn't count? Oh. Whoa. I'm bad at that. Grab the queen.
Slap, 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 clap, 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 slap, 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 clap, 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 slap, slap,
Oh,
slap,
I
clap,
have to
clap,
stay away
clap,
from
slap,
Bobby
slap,
on this
slap,
one.
clap, 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 slap, 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 clap, 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 slap, slap, slap.
I've decided I'm not gonna make Fortnite videos because it's just bad quality.
I like dancing.
I like trains.
Hi. Oh, that's
That's a
my
lot of
sister.
damage.
My sister's playing. Oh, good text time. Oh, I just died. And my sister killed me. Making a Y2 video. Get ready to spleef. What's this one? I'm gonna say it's fine, you're in You have to, on this one, you have to try it. Oh, I just did it. It's fine, you'll be in it. The heck? Uh-oh. Button is on fire. Quick. Get the fire extinguisher. Extinguisher. No. Am I my sisters? Yeah! We're on the same team. On this one, you have to make everything red. And if it's blue, you have to make it red. You want more red? Whatever team you're on, you want more of that color. Blue's gonna win. I bet blue's gonna win. I bet blue is. That's how this game works. Blue always wins. Watch blue's gonna win. Yep, I told you. I told you. I won. Time to take a picture. Say cheese. Yes. favorite part. The part where Bro, I'm literally pressing the jump button. This is so stupid. Oh, it's gone.
Slap, 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 clap, clap,
Alright
clap.
guys,
Slap,
this
slap,
is gonna be
slap,
it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.